So I'm in the process of trying to restore some garden furniture, and this is one of the chairs that I'm in the process of restoring. So these are about 30 years old, and so far they've come out quite nicely. I've been using this product here, which is Cuprinol garden furniture stain, and it's done a really nice job of restoring and protecting the wood. The next problem I've got is down here, and we'll have a closer look in a minute, and it's to do with the feet, as they've suffered some damage from water over the years. So yeah, we're going to look to see what we can do about that in this video. So with the chair upside down, we can see some of the damage now that's been caused by water getting into the base of the chair, and it started to kind of rot the wood. So what we want to try and see if we can do now is to seal this and protect this, so that hopefully we get a few more years out of this chair. You can buy some caps for this, but I've got a 3D printer, so I'm wondering whether we can actually 3D print a cap that we can probably glue onto this, and hopefully let us use these chairs for years to come. So these are the parts I've knocked up using Tinkercad. It's basically just a box which I hollowed out. It has about 8mm on the base, and I printed these at 100% infill with PETG. And the idea now is just to put some epoxy in here, and just put these on and press fit them onto the chair, and hopefully that will be the job done. Okay, so I've got my two-part epoxy. So what we're going to do is, I can do this with one hand. Let's just put a little blob inside here. Not too much, just enough to hopefully secure it to the base so it doesn't leak out everywhere. So maybe just a bit more. Obviously what we need to do is then mix it up with this stick and then glue it on, so I'll just do that and then come back when I'll attach it to the chair. Okay, so that's the epoxy all nicely mixed up, so all we do now is just pop them on the end here and get that in, and I've just got a little mallet here just to kind of gently persuade that on and tap that down, and yeah, that's hopefully the first one done. So yeah, let's do the other three and come back when we're finished. So here's the first chair done. I've just put it back on the ground to let the glue dry, and then hopefully it will be ready for use. I'll put a link to the files I created in the description, and I've also created a slightly larger version for doing the table as well. But yeah, just be the same process. So yeah, I hope you found this useful, and thanks for watching.